NADA Show offers cutting-edge education for dealership employees at every level. NADA Show 2022, March 10th through 13th in Las Vegas, is no exception. NADA Show is packed with the latest dealership strategies and emerging industry trends, offering the best education to drive your business success. Experienced NADA instructors and consultants, along with other top industry experts, are all under one roof offering NADA's world-class education. Now more than ever, it is vital to stay attuned to the unique challenges in the retail auto industry and to apply the most effective strategies and best practices. To improve performance and bolster your business, bring your entire dealership team to NADA Show 2022. With more than 60 topics over 4 days, the workshop tracks offer something for everyone. New this year, business essentials and innovations. Workshop tracks include fixed operations, human capital, leadership, marketing, variable operations, and digital. The NADA Show 2022 will feature other popular special education sessions. The Exchange, peer-to-peer roundtable learning sessions based on topics you select. The all-new Dealer Learning Lab. Debuting at the 2022 show, the Dealer Learning Lab will feature 20-minute TED-style sessions from our presenters in an intimate setting on the expo floor. Electric Vehicle Super Session. This year will feature a deep dive discussion in the world of electric vehicles. Distinguished Speaker Series. Leadership, motivation, and team building from top experts. The full workshop and education schedule for NADA Show 2022 is now available. See the full lineup online at nadashow.org. Register today.